Now, your Storm Team 4 forecast. Weather you can plan your life around.
And tomorrow night is the total supermoon eclipse, which has happened only 5 times since 1900 and won't come again for 18 years. Now, Dr. Wayne Schlingman at the OSU Planetarium created a simulation for us of the sun, earth, and moon alignment. The moon will go behind the earth, falling in its shadow tomorrow night completely, all the more spectacular because the moon is at its closest point to earth, 33% brighter than it usually is. Now, we will ultimately see a copper color. We call that a blood moon. As Wayne explained, our atmosphere bends sunlight, so it's like seeing every sunrise and sunset across the planet at the same time. The only problem is cloud cover, and that's going to be the trickiest part tomorrow night. I think Western Ohio has a little better chance than we do. But here are the times. I created a graphic. Partial eclipse begins at 9:07. The moon will be fully eclipsed from 10:11 to 11:23, and then ending at about 12:27. So we can only hope skies clear, but I'm sure if they do, and if you do get a good picture of the coppery moon, the blood moon as it is called, definitely send that to us, and we will put that on the air tomorrow night. It's about 50-50 on the clouds. We'll show you that in the model. 67 degrees. 76 was our high today, 62 this morning, 40% humidity. We got through the game with only 1 or 2 raindrops. And live Viper radar showing kind of an interesting picture here. We have an intense storm off the East Coast. You're getting riptides and rough surf, but there's almost a finger of moisture called an inverted trough extending up into the Ohio Valley. So a little bit of moisture convergence, and that's going on around Chillicothe and Circleville. Again, occasionally a sprinkle works its way up here. Our air fairly dry for now, so that's keeping the rain south of us. A couple of showers still moving into Pickaway County. The rain kind of dying out over Fayette County, but there'll be a few more of those later on tonight and tomorrow morning. I think the better chance tomorrow will be over the eastern half of the state, but pretty amazing to see storm off the East Coast sending rain back into Ohio. You tend to see that more in the winter time than this time of year. 67 and 50 are our numbers today. That is a little bit below average. And here are the numbers right now. Actually, our high was 76, not 67. 64 at Mount Vernon, 66 at Newark, 63 at Athens, and around town upper 60s. But it's not going to drop much for the rest of the night because we have that blanket of clouds around. So that will hold temperatures in the 60s right on through tomorrow morning with a sprinkle here and there at 7:63. Still a chance for a shower or sprinkle at noon, 70. And like today, temperatures will be held in the low and mid 70s, even into the late afternoon. There are the very light showers on our satellite and radar, but see how most of the rain stayed to our south today. So we were in pretty good shape of the game, but still a better chance tomorrow. I want to show you a couple of great pictures. Solar halo, and I caught this one over by OSU yesterday. We had a lot of calls. I put this on our NBC4 Facebook. This is sunlight interacting with ice crystals, and our Audrey Hassan caught the gorgeous red sunset last night. That was the Grandview Heights game at London. And share at NBC4i.com. Get your pictures on the air. All those clouds coming from that storm system. Jet stream is off to the north. It's going to take a drop to the south over the next couple of days, and that will change our weather as we go through the week. Initially, we'll be dealing with just a couple of sprinkles tomorrow. Again, the best chance will be east of Interstate 71. High pressure moves in, but there's our eclipse time. Look at the problem. A lot of gray showing up here. It's going to be hard to thin out all the clouds, and clouds will even linger into the day on Monday. And then we'll see a cold front come through on Tuesday, and that will be a chance for showers and storms. And that's going to bring in much cooler air for the second half of the week. 63 overnight, a couple of light showers, brisk east winds. Tomorrow, a couple of light showers again. Shouldn't be a game-changing kind of day, though. You should be able to get your outdoor plans in. And the best chance of rain will be to our east. Monday looks dry. Showers and storms on Tuesday. And then Matt and Dwayne, the second half of the week, very comfortable and very much like early October.